Today we're gonna transform ourselves into James Bond, and your mission, if you wish to accept it, is that you got an Excel file from your colleague and he has hidden some formulas here and there. So how to get all the formulas in one go, I'm gonna show you two ways, so let's go. Let's start with the manual methodology. So here you go under Home, Find and Select, go to Special, and you select Formulas. You have some sub-options. For example, you might not want to see the formulas that are giving errors or the opposite. So I'm just gonna select everything, press OK, and all the cells with formulas are highlighted. For example, you can go here and highlight them in gray, and you can check them out. This is a formula, this is a formula, and so on. Now let's do Ctrl Z. The problem with this methodology is that you have to do it every time manually. So for example, if I add a formula here, I have to go back and do the same thing. Now what you could do is use conditional formatting to automatically highlight formulas in Excel. How do we do this? We need to use a formula with conditional formatting, and here you have three rules. Rule number one, you need to write a formula that works for the top left of your range. In my case, this is cell A2. Number two, you need to be able to drag the formula and it will work for the other cells. And number three, don't use an if. So what does it mean? Here I have 4 columns. So I'm just gonna copy paste this so you can see. I'm just gonna put it in blue and I'm gonna write a formula called ISFORMULA. So this formula will check whether the cell you are selecting is a formula and return true or false. Now if I just drag this like this, you can see it is checking B2 and so on, and we can double click, check this one, this is B4, perfect. So it's checking every cell. Now what I'm gonna do is take the formula from the top left of this range. So that's my formula, Ctrl C escape. I'm just gonna select my data, conditional formatting, new rule, formula, paste it, and here we can select, for example, this yellow format, press OK, and now every cell with a formula will be highlighted. If, for example, I do equal sum 1, 2, you see this one will get highlighted also. So this one is a bit more tedious, but it will be automatic.